Hello guys, as you can see I am on the Supercell community page. From here I got from Facebook. Actually they, on Clash of Clans Facebook page there will be like this. Wait, like this, the biggest donation event in the history of Clash of Clans have commenced. Four clans are coming together with the aim of pulling in a huge combined donation. Will they make it? Follow the fun. So click in here and the page will load, and as the page load the Great Land said on June 8, 2015, the biggest donation event in the COG history with comments. Some of the most well-known donating clans in Clash of Clans game are coming together with the aim of fueling huge that combined donation, a record above all COG standards. The clans involved in this joint venture are the 200 Club, of course. First, what you need to do is you need to write this hashtag right here. Yep, you got me right. Put a hashtag mark, then this, all in capital, in the search clans mark. Then you will get the clan, join and request and leave. Yep, that's the clan. So procedure for coming to get troops: search the clan hashtag number, bookmark the clan for future reference when coming for troops, join the clan. All clans will be set to open. If a clan is closed, wait a minute or two because they are clearing campers. Request for troops immediately upon entry. Remember, there will be thousands of people coming for troops, so time is of the essence. People who wait too long risk is being kicked. As soon as your clan castle is filled, leave. You do not need to thank donators. Come back for every 15 minutes. Yep, that are the procedures for getting troops. Records will be smashed, maybe some iPads too. So please join us from June 8 to June 21st in making COG history. Default troops will be wizards, archers, minions, so don't worry about getting spammed with giants. If you request for specific troops that don't fall under the defaults, we have them ready. We will donate them, but don't come in counting on getting a dragon. Yep, that is right. And the leaderboard is updated at least every 3 days. The rank is clan name. The first now the clan reckon GTF4 was first, and now the 200 clubs is first rank and the members are 39. Second is Rec and Request and GTFO members are 39. Third is Invictus Kings members are 37, and the fourth is Request and Leave. Total combined donations are this much. That's too much. Only 4 clans. Now think if we add all the clans. Okay, leave. Stats accurate of 4 to 5 days into season. So this was it. You need to write this thing, this hashtag mark and this numbers in the search clan, so you get in the clan request and then leave. So this was the procedure. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and leave a like. Bye.